Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping. All you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. This is really sweet to have right now. Andobil 61-inch tripod selfie stick. There's a manual, there's a Bluetooth shutter, and here she is. Easy to hook up. There's the back. There you go. And this is what it looks like all the way down for the tripod mode. And then if you want the selfie mode, you're going to have to hook up your Bluetooth, which I'm going to do right about now. Give me about 2 seconds. Let me put you guys down, and then show you guys how to use the selfie mode. Here we go. Alright, pause. Alright, it comes with an extra battery right there, and then all you gotta do is pop it to replace it. And there's an on and off button right here. It's got a switch. There we go. And then grab your phone and set it to Bluetooth mode. Settings, Bluetooth, and it should AB shutter. Pair. It is now pairing. Should be. Yep, it is connected right there. So now I'll show you how easy it is to do selfie mode. Let me put my situated right here really quick. So I mean, you can have it different ways. Tripod mode, I'll show you how to do that. So gotta reverse. Alright, there we go. So, if you guys can see me. Just one click. Hold on 1 second. Alright guys. Gotta get this magic button right here. And here we go. Alright, got pictures taken. And now, hold on 1 sec. And now we can look at it. That's how they took it. See, blue light turns on. And boom. So really easy to use. Great for group photos, stuff like that. Or you could, like I said, use it as a normal tripod to stream, to record your videos. So check them out. Link is going to be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.